Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miesha and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my wigs. Today I'm going to be using the hot glue gun method. This is going to be so easy and it's beginner friendly. You can literally get this done within 30 minutes. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. This will be a two-part video, so make sure you're on the lookout for part 2 when I install the wig. If you are interested in seeing how I make wigs in less than 30 minutes, go ahead and keep on watching. So the hair in this video is sponsored. Today we'll be using Dsoar hair. So this is their Malaysian curly. I got bundle inches 22, 24, 24 with a 20-inch closure. So in the package they send you some eyelashes. So I'm guessing this is a satin scarf. And this is our hair. So this is how the hair looks fresh out the bag. These look like reindeer ears. Oh, how cute. This is so cute. I feel like I want to wear this in the video. And it's Christmas time. Period. All I'm missing is the little red nose. So this is a 4x4 closure. So before we do anything, we're going to bleach the knots on this closure so that our wig can look very, very natural. So we're going to take 2 scoops of the BW2 powder. And I have some 40 volume developer. So you don't want to pour a lot of developer. You just want to pour a itsy bitsy at a time. And I just use a paintbrush because when we actually apply it to the closure, we don't want it to like bleach the roots, only the knots. So I just find that the paintbrush doesn't push the bleach all the way through. It just gets it on there just enough. So the consistency that you're going for is like thick like toothpaste. You don't want it to fall off the brush. So we're going to take our closure and we're going to place it on the aluminum foil face down. You want to lightly and gently place it on the foil. You don't want to like press into it because you don't want any bleach to get on the roots of your hair. So we're gonna go ahead and let that sit. I don't usually like put like a time limit on it, maybe about 15-20 minutes, but I just like to check mine and see if it's ready, and then if it's not, we're gonna let it sit. If it is, then we're gonna wash it off. So while we're waiting on our closure to finish bleaching, we're gonna go ahead and co-wash our bundles. So the way that I take the bleach off of the closure before I put anything on it, I let the water run on it first. You see the difference? Now I'm going to take some neutralizing shampoo just to stop the bleaching. Then I'm going to go in with some Shimmer Light shampoo just to take away some of the brassiness. So for the base of our wig, I have a spandex dome cap. So I'm gonna bring the closure up just like a ½ inch above the actual dome cap itself. So the closure is gonna be the only thing we're gonna sew down on the wig. So when I sew my closures on, I make sure I go from side to side just so that I can make sure that everything is flat. So it's really hard trying to record this video and construct the wig at the same time, but I finally got the right placement for the camera. So I'm gonna just go all the way up with these tracks and I'm gonna show you guys how I lay them. I'm gonna be using a hot glue gun to construct this wig. So yeah, me personally, I don't like putting tracks like way at the bottom, but if you want to, you can. I'm not. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this part off, this under the lace closure. So you wanna get this exposed. So you're gonna cut that off. Make sure you don't clip your thread where you sewed your closure on, because your whole wig just will fall apart. So make sure you're very careful by the threading. So if you have to cut off, you know, a little bit away from the threading first, just to be cautious, it's better safe than sorry. Don't forget to check out part 2. I will be styling and installing this wig. If you found this video helpful and you learned something new, go ahead and give me a comment down below. If you guys have any video ideas, go ahead and comment those as well. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. My Snapchat is Queen-Isha with 2 A's. My Instagram and also my Twitter is Miesha_. If you decide to go ahead and shop Dsoar hair, I will have their link down in the description box, as well as a coupon code so that you can get a percentage off when you shop with them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this video if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I love you guys. Go watch part 2. Thanks for watching. Bye. So I'm glad that you guys made it all the way to the end. Go ahead and comment down below if you are watching this now. But I didn't feel that it was right if I didn't show you guys this wig finished, not installed. Stay tuned for part 2. We fully customized this wig and now it's just ready to get laid and slayed, sis. I hope you guys are ready for this transformation. I think I'm gonna include like a small little clip of the wig finish at the beginning of this video, so you may have already seen it. Just meet me in part 2. Bye. 'Cause I wanna feel good. It's the way that you grab my waist and the place that you shoot.